Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Snapchat can write to your gallery. Open Snapchat, tap Settings, then Memories, turn on Autosave and select Save to Camera Roll or Memories and Camera Roll. Next, go to your phone settings and grant Snapchat photos or storage permission so the app can place images into your gallery. Once done, take a test snap and save it. You'll know it worked when the image appears in your phone's Photos app. Make sure to continue only after that verification. Now retrieve snaps you already have. Open Memories, switch to Snaps or Camera Roll view, press and hold a snap to select it, or use the three-line menu for multi-select if you have many. Tap Export, then choose Save Image or Save to Camera Roll to send the file to your gallery. This exports snaps including stickers and text flattened as a single image. Make sure to repeat for each batch. If you export many, go in groups to avoid app timeouts or export failure. Finish by verifying the saved photos appear in your phone's Photos app and in the Snapchat album if present. If images are missing, double-check Snapchat's autosave setting and confirm photo/storage permission in system settings. Permissions are the most common blocker. Once checked, force close Snapchat and reopen. If that fails, reboot your phone. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This resets incorrect permissions. Remember, permissions and the auto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.